test, and we're going to come back to Russ in just a second. Once again, your website is huxhemp.com.
H-U-X.
H-U-X, huxhemp.com, all right? We're going to take...
This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Okay. I think we're back.
I think we're back.
All right. That was just a test.
That was a test because
That
it
was
is
a
raining, but nothing to fear. The storm should be moving through the area shortly.
People that come in, what's the biggest